There are many disputes going on between China and India right now that I've heard about. One thing I like about China is their culture with education. It's pretty much the same like in India. The kids there are very good at maths. Here also they are good at maths.
在这个风云变幻的时代呢，机遇与挑战并存，我们需要不断拓展自己的视野。这个频道呢，主要是带大家看遍中外世界，分享不同国家地区的风景、文化、美食以及科技，展现世界的多样性。如果你喜欢的话，赶紧按赞订阅吧。我们接着往下看。
What do you know about China?
Not much.
Not much. What about you?
Not much.
No?
Not much. Where are you all from?
Kazakhstan. Am I look like Chinese?
No.
I look?
We have
I first thought Korean or something.
Korea. Okay.
Koreans are more famous in India, no?
Yeah. Okay. Many K-pop fans in India. You are also a K-pop fan? Not much? No?
Not much.
Majority are not a K-pop fans. Right?
Okay.
Not that much.
No? How is the relation between India, China and...
Very bad. Exactly, very bad.
They are not
Okay.
that good.
Okay.
Trade relations are not that good.
But related to our neighboring countries like China, Pakistan is
Okay. Do you know? Nothing?
China. Okay.
Have you heard anything something for nowadays? Not much?
There are many disputes going on between China and India right now that I've heard about. One thing I like about China is their culture with education. It's pretty much the same like in India. The kids there are very good at maths. Here also they are good at maths. So that I like about it.
Most of the stuff here in India are from China only, like a lot of clothing and toys and things like that. And since the dispute, many of the apps in China that were from China have been banned in India, so like those disputes are going on.
China is having very good economy, and its military power is very good as compared to the other Asian countries, and it's technologically very developed country. It is competing with the dominant power that is USA.
Wow. What would you say?
We do know a lot, but like, what exactly are you?
Anything? What do you know? It's just general one. So what do you know?
China is one of the superpowers in the world right now. Yeah. And it's also a really huge economy. Also, the manpower is like really huge. So, and like a lot of things in the world are made in China, and like manufacturing is majorly done in that part of the world.
Yeah.
Are there many Chinese in India?
Not that.
We have no idea. We don't know.
You never met?
No.
I did not know so much many things, but there is a flea market. There is a cheapest electronic market. So, like Apple iPhone is on cheapest rate on the flea market, like that.
Okay. Maybe did you watch some Chinese movies with Jackie Chan?
No.
China. I haven't visited any China.
No?
No.
But maybe you know from your school or from your university.
Yeah, China is a very big country in comparison to India. Very big country. Good tourists also look for China. In India, tourists also looking for China. But in India, there is some political issue with China. But it's a good place to visit.
Are there many Indian students who study in China?
Yeah, there are many students who study in China.
Okay.
My one of friend also study in China.
Your friend didn't tell about his life in China?
No, I speak to them. I speak to my friend, but he didn't. He didn't tell